So I got a lot of messages so I got lot of messages and the students I got a lot of messages and students are asking me if I got a lot of messages so I got a lot of messages and the students they are asking if like their computer stop on 75 for RN or LVN for 85 their computer stop. So did they pass the exam or did they fail the exam? So what is that meaning? So what does that meaning? So just want to let you know there is no human being in there is no human who is assessing your exam. This is computer adaptive test, CAT, right? So that's mean computer is assessing your performance, not any human being. So once the computer is satisfied with your performance, that will determine whether you pass or you fail, right? So so let's say we are taking LVN exam. So minimum you will get 85 question, right? So what is gonna happen? So let's say this is a 85, right? So we're gonna start with question number 1. So our bar is gonna go like, if you give your answer correct, your bar will go up. If you give correct, your bar will go more up, right? If you give wrong, your bar will drop. If you give another wrong, bar will drop. So like doing like this, the computer will determine once you reach it to 85, right? So once you reach it to 85, if your computer stop, that's mean based on your bar, if your performance was above or your bar was always dropping. So computer will determine that you are a safe nurse or you are not a safe nurse and you need more preparation. So that way either you did really good that your bar is keep going up and computer is satisfied and computer will stop at 85 and for RN it will stop at 75, right? But if your bar is dropping below the line, that's mean you really did very bad and computer wants you to prep more, right? Prepare more next time, right? But in third scenario, what's gonna happen? So again, if it stop on 85, that's mean either you did really good or really bad, right? And what if your computer give you question number 86 or question number 76 for RN? So in that scenario, what's gonna happen? So in that scenario, the computer still wants to give you more chances and to prove you that you're a safe nurse, right? So computer wants to give you more question to prove that you are a safe nurse. So in that situation, what do you have to do? So now you will get your question number 86, right? And computer could stop you anywhere, either say 88, 98, 104. There is no number. Whenever computer is satisfied with your performance, it will stop, right? So the thing is, once you cross your 75 question or 85 question, you have to take a break at that time. Take a deep breath, take a break, unofficial break. That's mean computer wants to give you some more chances, right? It's not some more, but few more chances to see how you're gonna perform next 10 questions. So now the thing is, take a break, and come back. Go drink water, go to washroom, and then come back. Relax. Now you tell yourself, the computer giving me another chance, right? And tell your mind, if next 10 question, if I got like out of 10, if I able to get 7 to 8 correct, that's mean my bar will go up, right? So that must be your plan. So next 10 question, take your time and try to go slowly. Read each question 3 to 4 times, because once you read it, you may not get the clues what they're asking. So once you read the second time, your brain will start telling you, hey, there is a clue now, sudden, what are you going to do first, right? Those kind of clues. So once you read first question, reread again, and you will get clues, like they say main word clue, right? That is clue, that is clue, that is clue, right? And reread third question and try to, without looking the option, try to tell in your brain what would be possible answer could be. And then once you start reading your options, you will see same option that your mind was telling you, go for it. that would be the right answer, of course. Not of course, but that there are high chances that that is the right option, right? So take a deep breath, and next 10 question go slowly and try to answer your answer. Try to so go slowly, right? So if you able to get 8 to 10, 8 or slowly, right? So that should be your mind setup. So that should be your mind setup, right? So next 10 question go slowly and try to give all correct answer, right? So that would be, so computer wants to give, right? So that should be your mindset. So next 10 question go slowly, read 2 to 3 times and try to give your answer best way you can, right? So your computer could stop anywhere. So I hope once the computer determine, so I hope this video a little bit help you to understand what's the purpose of like cat adaptive test, right? So there is no human being assessing your exam but computer. So if 85 means either you did really good, you passed, or you really did very bad, that you failed. So that's the meaning. So that's the answer that I got a lot of text message. So hey, that is the answer for you guys, right? Right. I hope it's clear a little bit to you guys. What is that meaning when your computer stop at 85 or 75? Either you did really good or really bad.